Hi guys, Francesca here and welcome to the Fusion Beats dance channel. So this is the first tutorial for 2018 and it's Dil Chori, which we uploaded the dance cover, I believe on last week Thursday. Okay, so if you haven't checked out the dance cover, the link is below. Also, thanks guys for joining in our YouTube channel community page as well. So shout out, give me names of songs that you want to see done, or if you've got tutorials that you need to practice for an event or something like that, get in touch with me and my details are down below as well. So in this tutorial, you do need to do it with the dance cover. So the link is below, click on that. Learn the steps with me here and then flip over to the dance cover. As you learn each step here, then you flick over, do it with the music, do it with me, okay? If you've got any questions, then feel free to comment below. Okay, so to get started, we've got a beginning bit, then we've got one verse, we've got the bhangra bit, and then we've got the chorus, okay? I won't be doing the hip hop part because that was just an added feature for the dance cover that you'll see. So, to get started, you're gonna face the side, and we're gonna take our right leg goes out, in, okay? Now hands around the waist, and our arms, we're going to move our elbows. So we're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're going to move over to the right. As we do, our arm comes up, out, out. Okay? So let's try that again. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring those elbows in and then out, okay? Rather than just 1, 2, okay? So smooth it out. Push it out, push it in. Push it out, push it in. Then you bring your right leg to the corner and it's just a bit of a shake, 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 shake. So to shake it, you need to lift the right heel off of the floor and then just shake it. Okay, then from there, you're going to turn to the back, arm up, 1, 2, and then up. Okay, so let's put that together. So you've got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 8, and. So right over the head and then up. Okay? And then we start with the verse. So I'll let you see my feet. So I'll stand over here and you've got 1, 2. Now this movement comes from dropping your shoulder. So as you drop your shoulder, you're dropping it down and just flowing your arm forward. Flowing it rather than just a push. It's flow, flow. All right? So what we've got is we're doing 1, 2 and 3. So bring it left behind. Okay, so we're doing a circle. So it's 1, 2, around. Okay, now the beat wise, it's 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, and push in. Now, if you've been following my tutorials in the past, you know that step, but what it is you're down low, and then you're going left, right, with the heel, right, left, right, in. And it's a bit of a bounce back, bounce forward. And what you're doing with your hands is you're pushing in, pushing, pushing. So what we're doing is we're going 1, 2, and 3, 4, and bring them together with a fist. Left, right, in, step forward or step back. So if you've seen the video clip, we're going forward and back at that motion. All right? So if you're going forward, right hand's still being used for both, you take a step forward. But taking that step, you're snaking. Okay? You're snaking in the direction. So it's either forward or it's either back. Okay? So let's put that together. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, snake, 5, and 6. Okay? So let's do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's just that pop up, down with the chest. Then your left heel is going 1 and 2. So moving it around. There and back. Okay? So what you're going to go is 5 and 6. Turn, turn, turn. So let's put that together. So that section is all complete for that one. So let's go through it. So we've got from here 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip, 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 hip. Turn, turn, over and 1, 2 and 3. Out in push, together, over, jump. 1 and 2 and 3. Hip, heel, step, turn, turn, turn. Then you have your Bhangra bit. So what I suggest you do is practice those two parts and then come back for that third. Next section is the Bhangra bit. Okay, it's a little bit of fun. It's got the beat. It picks it up after that first verse. So what you want to do is your hands are going down on the right. So you're going 1, 2. Keep light on your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so up, down, up, down. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring the right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, double time. As you do that, your hands are flat. Push, push to the other corner. Up, up. So you can bounce that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll do that again. Ready? Heel, heel, up, up. Then the last bits, you're swinging your arms. Lift the right, left as you lean forward. So 1, 2, step. Keep your hands flat. And you're going over, over. Okay? So let's try that bit again. 1, 2, over, over. And as you're doing that, you're hopping when you turn. Alright, so we'll put that bit together now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, up, swing, swing, over, over. Okay, so have a go, press stop, try that bit. We'll do it one more time, okay? Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and right, left, heel, up, swing, swing, turn around. Have control with your turns. So keep your knees bent when you are turning, because otherwise the higher up you are and straighter your legs, you're going to lose your balance, okay? So go through that and come back for the chorus. Okay, so coming up to the chorus. Okay, now before the chorus, so what happens in this bit is that after the Bhangra bit, you'll see that there are about 2 lots of 8 where we've done a lot of freestyle. So freestyling, you can do anything from continuing to do some Bhangra, you can move your hips around, you can move to the music. So have a look at the dance cover, link is below, and then you'll be able to work out whether you want to do formations. If you're dancing in a group, you can do position changes. So I'm leaving that bit as the freestyle part. Then it leads to the chorus. So for the chorus, we've got right foot is going forward and back, okay? So it's just okay? Step, step back and step, step back. Hand, left hand on the hip, right hand, 1 and chest, 2, and chest. You're changing the hips. So what happens is, it's here in this position, and you're going up, 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 up. Okay? So try that again. Forward and back, forward and back, up, 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 up. Forward and back, forward and back, up, 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 up. Forward and back, forward and back, up, 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 up. Alright, so from there, you'll see we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and flick it out. So what that is, it's just jumping on the right, right, right. And as you go around the head, 1, 2, flick, flick. You then lean on that left and pull, 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 pull. Okay? So let's start that chorus. We've got 1, 2, up, up, up. Again, 1, 2, up, 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 up. 3 times. And up, 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 up. 1, 2. Pull, pull. Then turn, turn out. Okay? So this turn, turn out is, if you're in a group, you can change position by moving forward or backwards. You can go to the side and then start the next bit. So the next bit, leg, instead of going forward and back, we're going quarter, quarter. Okay? Hands, straight palms up. 1, 2. Then bring your right leg forward and push it and twist it and twist it and twist it. So as you're moving up, you are bringing the hands slightly forward and up. So let's try that. Ready? And 1, 2, push, 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 push. Then you use your right leg to go behind. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got to go back to that chorus bit. So bring that right leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, push, 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 push. Side, side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put it all together from the very beginning. So you've got 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake, 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 shake. Right hand over the head, up. Bring that right leg out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and roll, pop. Left leg, turn around. 1, 2, over, over. Heel, up, swing, swing, over, over. Then you've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, out. Pull. Then turn, turn out. 1, 2, push, 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 push. 1, 2, and then chorus, 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 chorus. Now that's it for the sequence that I've got the first part. What I haven't included is the freestyle part and then the hip hop part at the end. If you do want that tutorial, do shout out. I can always put one up for you and you'll see that soon. So see you next week for a new dance cover and new tutorial.
say